Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to start a series on retrofit. As most of you know, retrofit is a Android networking library. It is better than Wally in a lot of cases, and it is very useful in managing and organizing the API calls. If we have a large project and which has a lot of API calls, then retrofit is definitely a solution for organizing all of the API calls, and this becomes very handy instead of Volley and other networking libraries. So let's start from a very brief introduction of retrofit. So retrofit is basically a type-safe HTTPS client, and basically what it does is it automatically converts our like JSON responses. Just give me a minute. Let me give a small example. So we have one. Uh, HTTP call URL, and it is returning us this list. So what retrofit will do is it will convert this whole JSON data into our uh, created model class. Like in Kotlin or Java, maybe we create a class that will hold the array list, and then retrofit will automatically convert all this response into our uh, Java or a Kotlin class. So this become very handy. Also it make use of annotations that helps a lot in reducing our boilerplate code. So like annotations help us in adding the request bodies and manipulating the URLs. Sometimes we need to manipulate the URLs at runtime, and annotations help at that point as well. Also, we can add headers, and we can like add query parameters with the use of annotations. So we have all kind of request types in retrofit, like get, post, put, delete, batch, and a lot of stuff. And also very important concept in retrofit is converters. So as I mentioned previously, that retrofit automatically converts our JSON response into our created model classes. So for doing that, we have to mention the converter, which converter we want to use. Sometimes we go with JSON, and sometimes we go with simple XML. So it depends upon the type of API. What type of API do we have? Most of the time we have a RESTful API, and we go with JSON converter. And yeah, and we can even write our own custom adapters. So below is the detail for the for how we can use this retrofit in our application. So here's a dependency. We need to add that into our project, and we're good to go. And everything is mentioned here. So let's start from the next video. In this course, this will be a very detailed course, and we will cover each and every topic that is related to retrofit in our small demonstrative videos. So let's continue to the next video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for watching.